Verdict is finally reached in the murder trial of Corey Muhammad, and tonight we have new reaction.
CBS 47's Kirsten Mitchell joins us live from downtown Fresno with the details. Kirsten.
Well, Ken and Catherine, it's been quite a process for these jurors. They had a month-long hiatus due to the coronavirus, but chose to come back on Monday. Now, after just a few days of deliberation, they have a verdict.
Corey Ali Muhammad, guilty of first-degree murder.
After some initial confusion, including a typo in the verdict, and one juror, when polled by the judge, saying the verdict was not what they discussed, the final verdict came in.
Corey Ali Muhammad, guilty of second-degree murder.
The jury found Corey Muhammad guilty of second-degree murder for the death of motel employee Carl Williams. Williams was the first death in the shooting spree in April of 2017. Muhammad was found guilty of second-degree murder for the deaths of Zachary Randalls and Mark Gassett, when a few days later he opened fire in the streets of downtown Fresno. Also gunned down that day was David Jackson. For his death, the jury found Muhammad guilty of first-degree murder and ruled it was intentional because he was white.
It's a process, and it's a difficult process, and again, I think the jury did a good job, and we have more work to do.
Muhammad faces the death penalty for the mass shooting. His attorney argues Muhammad was mentally ill at the time.
Having the 3 seconds and 1 first was a little unsatisfying for me. I would have liked to have convinced them that they were all second-degree murders based upon his mental health issues, but we'll see where we're at in the next phase.
Next, the jury will examine evidence about Muhammad's mental health during the sanity phase of the trial.
I cannot imagine that there's anybody out there realistically that is surprised by this verdict. Again, the only thing to me that is surprising, and it's actually quite laudable, is that the jury hung in there in the midst of all of these problems that we are having with COVID-19.
Legal analyst David Mugridge says it's a testament to the court system and the pursuit of justice.
It was a real proof that the system works even in a trying time like this.
And Muhammad was also found guilty of 4 counts of second-degree attempted murder for the other people he fired at downtown but missed, as well as 2 weapons charges, in total 10 counts. Now, the sanity phase is scheduled to start on Monday. Reporting live in downtown Fresno, Kirsten Mitchell, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.
Kirsten, thank you so much. Tonight we reached out to the mother of Carl Williams. She says, "Today marks 3 years since I had to lay my son Carl to rest. It still feels like yesterday this all happened. Not a day goes by. My heart doesn't feel the pain of losing him. I'm still processing the verdict, but I'm happy the trial is still proceeding, praying for justice for all the victims and families."